much.
Over, Bruno.
Talk to each other.
Vamos, solo. Fíjate, ábrete, Fabián, vamos. Buena, muy bien. Muy bien, Fabián, muy bien.
Gotta come off your leg. Jamie, control the ball, look for the pass. Keep it simple. One space and dribble.
Vamos. Párala, Fabián, párala primero. Tienes atrás. Isaías. Acá, mira, aquí. Ahí mero, este es tu lugar, Isaías.
Te va a llegar.
Uno.
Carlos. Jacob,
Run, Roberto.
Roberto, ask for the switch.
Uno.
Come back, defense. Aubrey, push up.
Go, Roberto.
Aubrey, let him be behind you. He'll be outside.
Isaías, de este lado, Isaías, inside.
Come on, Aubrey.
Tira. Muy bien, Isaías. Yo estoy con meter. Ahí mero, Isaías, aquí, ahí mero. Isaías, no te vayas para allá. Tú ahí mero, acá, más acá. Mira, ella.
Corner,
Ella.
defense.
Corner.
Where are we? First ball, second ball. Start there.
Buena.
Pressure, Carlos. Pressure. Go with it, Carlos.
Vamos, están tres, solos. Ahí está Isaías. Buena.
Up.
Ahí está. Buena, Isaías, es tuyo ahí. Buena, Isaías, buena. Muy bien, Isaías. Atrás tienes compañero, Isaías. Eso, pégale. Hasta el gol, vámonos. Se va a ir, se va, vamos, se va.
Come on, Aubrey. Push your way.
Go.
Go, Jamie.
Eso, vámonos.
Go,
Muy
Jamie.
bien, ahí están solos. Están dos.
Aubrey, push up. Here we go, Carlos.
Uno. Buena. De este lado, Isaías, atrás, Isaías. Ahí está. Isaías. Buena, Isaías.
Go, Jamie.
Buena, Jamie.
Vamos.
Good job.
Carlos, come on. Come on, Hector.
Go, Jamie.
Hector. Let Carlos let up.
Nice run.
Venga. Uno.
Hey.
Allá está. Vámonos. Solo.
Why, Jamie? Why?
Good job, Aubrey. Good job.
Down the line.
Vamos, solos. Pásala, eso. Ahí está.
Aubrey, get in front of him.
Come on, Aubrey. Aubrey. Get up, get up. Come on,
Buena,
Jamie.
buena. Uno.
Come on, Jamie.
Good job, Jamie.
It's our ball, Jamie. It's our
Roberto, get
ball.
up there, Roberto.
Hey.
Solo.
Be first.
Go, Roberto.
Pásala, eso. Vámonos.
She's smiling.
Uno, Gaby, eso. Solo.
Good job. Go,
Give it
Roberto.
go, give it go. No, Carlos. Ask for it, Jacob.
All right, Carlo.
We can get a better shot than that. Turn around. Settle the ball, Jacob.
Get to it.
Gotta
Jamie,
communicate.
it's you.
Come on, Jamie.
Body first.
Déjale, eso. Ahora solo, déjala ahí. Vámonos, se la llevan, solo.
Come on, Aubrey.
Buena, muy bien.
Jacob. Even if you didn't blow the whistle, you were ready. You gotta be ready.
Push up, Red.
Aubrey, take it. Now Jacob, over the top.
Uno.
Caleb.
Gaby, stop the ball, Gaby.
Punch it.
Uno.
No bounce. Ray, we're watching the ball.
Good job. Run with him.
Vamos. Fabián, ahora de este lado. Fabián, muévete, hijo.
Come on, Aubrey.
Julian, come get one.
Dylan. Ven, hijo, corre.
Roberto, take it.
Ya.
Roberto, send Jacob now.
Ven. Quédate ya, marca los zapatos. Hey, Víctor.
You're in.
Come on. Stay ready, Roberto.
Vamos. Esto, vamos.
Get it.
Caleb,
Get
Caleb.
it. Good job.
Uno, corriendo. Buena.
Excellent work.
Get in there,
Body.
Roberto. Good job. Come on, Jacob. Watch yourself.
Vamos.
Come on, Jamie. Nice, Jamie.
Keep going, Jamie. Body.
Keep going. Keep going, Jamie.
Vámonos.
Come on, Aubrey.
Vamos.
Remember they
Dylan,
were
Dylan.
at school.
Dylan, come on.
Aaliyah. Hector. Play defense.
I forgot about that.
To who?
Come on, Miggy. Let's work, Miggy. Let's work.
Good job. Nice, Roberto. Come on, Aubrey, kick it.
Hector, run through it. Run through it, Aubrey. Hano.
Stay ready, Roberto.
Turn. Come on, guys.
That was nice. Some of the refs say no.
Run with him.
Jacob. You have all that time. Get a better look. Noah.
Muy bien, vámonos. Ahí está la pierna, Isaías.
Come on, Aubrey.
Go.
There's Aubrey, run.
Ya lo llevaste. Solo,
Hector,
ve.
stop ball. Hector, stop ball.
There you go. Okay, go.
Run,
Call for it, call for it.
Go, Roberto.
Roberto, control.
Fabián.
And then turn. Then just
Ven, hijo. Corriendo, ven, Fabián.
Mark up on the switches.
Come on, Aubrey. It's all you.
Hector.
Hector.
Control.
Go, Roberto.
Step on it, step on it.
Come on, Aubrey. Nice.
Noah, Miggy.
Good kick.
Go, Jacob. Hey! Poke it. Hey, corner. Carlos.
Roberto, get loose.
Hector.
Good job.
Left man.
job.
JD. Nobody. Push up.
Cover.
All right, JD, throw it in to Roberto.
Watch yourself.
Hey, defend the throw. Let's go. Jacob. Adrian, make a run. Roberto, throw that line.
Get it.
Back there, we have all that time and we can put all backwards.
Good job. Yeah.
Roberto, JD. Adrian.
De ahí, muchachos.
Caleb, get back on your line. Caleb, it's come out and then retreat. You can't just stand there.
He likes to
Yep. It's cheaper that way.
Take the corner. Jacob, take the corner.
The little cat that we have
Actually,
now, he
Hector,
just
take the corner. Get in the box, Jacob.
there.
Come on, Roberto, that's you. First to the ball. It's our ball, it's our ball. Quick throw, quick throw.
Aubrey, push up, man.
Hey, Julian.
No turn, no turn. Aubrey step, no turn, run through it,
Good job, Aubrey.
Muy bien, muy bien.
Send it, Aubrey. Julian. Down the line. Who's making the run?
Come on, Dom.
Dom, white line, this one. Throw it down line. Behind, over your head, over your head.
Good job.
Keep going, Roberto.
Go, Roberto.
Offer it.
Aubrey.
Aubrey, run. There you go.
Nice. Go, Aubrey. Come on, Dom. Good ball, Roberto.
Call for it. Back onside, Roberto.
Pressure! That's not pressuring. We're just letting him dribble the ball out of bounds. Jamie! Carlos, play right mid.
Yeah. That's cool.
Jamie out! Jamie!
Well, that's even better.
I had the ball.
Yeah.
I had the ball.
That's what he had this afternoon game. Dom!
Aubrey, send it.
Our ball.
Come on, guys, push up, get in position. Aubrey, look to Carlos. Right away, across the field, go. Good ball.
Good job, Aubrey.
Control, you got time. Nobody's coming down.
Good job, Aubrey. Hey, he's getting a lot better. Yeah, he plays with a little more time.
Come on, Jacob. Down. Tackles, we're turning it over. Carlos, drop. Jacob, you gotta always stay moving. Caleb, hands. turn. Jacob, let it go. He got it.
Good, go.
Harder.
Some air on it. Run!
Good job, guys.
Come on, JD, that's yours, body.
Buena, Gaby. Ahí está, órale.
Come on, Aubrey. Good job.
Good game. Put her on.
Carlos,
Come
run.
on.
Not in the middle.
There you go.
Save it, Carlos.
Pressure.
There
There
you
you
go.
go.
Run
Carlos.
through it.
Buena, eso.
Come on, let's work. Aubrey.
Send him.
Run through.
Go.
Kick.
Aubrey, push up.
Gaby.
Jamie, throw it in. Hey.
Get off the field.
Hey, good.
Good ball. Great ball. Keep the momentum. Let's keep the momentum.
Gaby,
That's it.
you play the man. Eso, vamos, vamos. Tóquense, tóquense. No pasa.
Strong, Aubrey and Hector. That's our ball.
The play.
Leave it.
Maestro, venga para acá, May. Ahí está.
Get it
Come
out.
on, guys. Good job.
Punch
Good
it.
job.
Right there, Jacob.
Let it
Come
go.
on,
Let it go.
Ahí quédate, ahí quédate, ahí quédate.
Hector,
Gaby,
take the goal kick.
okay, okay.
Carlos.
Listo,
Get the ball,
listo.
get the ball. Be an option. You got Aubrey.
Pull the defender, Roberto. Pull the defender.
Nice,
Nice,
Hector, Hector.
Vámonos por allá. Gaby, Gaby, come on. De ahí.
Good, Jamie.
Otro. Ven.
Go to it. Stop ball, stop ball.
Ahí está, solo, ahí está. Ahí está. Uno. Gaby,
Up out there.
Aubrey, if you are going to pass it back to Hector, it has to be a playable ball.
Stop, Caleb.
okay? No, come in. Hey,
Caleb, same kind of ball.
Shot wide, Carlos. Wide.
Oh, dribble.
Good job.
Finally, that's your ball.
Leah, that's
Turn,
yours.
turn, turn, dribble.
There you go. Good
Good
ball.
job. Nice, Leah. Go, Jacob.
Carlos.
Right there. Good, Jamie.
Hey, good shot, Brady.
I know.
Pégale a la orilla, a la orilla.
He's going to try to go over. Nothing over your head.
Come on, boys.
Help him out, Roberto. Good, good.
Watch that pass, Roberto.
There you go, Carlos.
Throw it in, throw it in.
Nice, Carlos. Go, Roberto. Get in there.
Yeah.
Get it back, you lost it, get it back. Hector! Take the ball! Hey, we're back. We're still in it. Hector! Take the ball if you need to.
Hey, we're down by one. Let's go.
Vamos, vamos.
Come on, guys. Come on, you got time.
Uno nomás. Eso, ya llegaste.
Throw it in. It's our ball, Hector. Hector, it's our ball.
Dylan, Dylan. This way, this way. You stay over here, you stay over here. De este lado, mira. Ah, here.
that's yours.
Vamos, vamos, Dylan, vamos, vamos.
Yeah.
Tranquilo, Javi. Fíjate eso, órale. Tranquilo, ahí están dos, ahí están dos.
To the ball, Roberto.
Vamos, ahí está.
Get it out of there.
Save it, save it. That's out, that's out. Get your shape, get your shape. Mark up, mark up.
¡Vamos, Javi! ¡Están! ¡Vamos! ¡Gol, gol! ¡Tranquilo, tranquilo! Dylan, Dylan.
Carlos, drop, drop.
Dylan,
Drop, drop, drop. That way you're
A
not
lot of girls there. You
¡Es tuya! ¡Es tuya! ¡Vamos, uno!
Malia, con su ball.
¡Toca, Fabián! ¡Ven, fíjate tu compañero! ¡Tócale, eso! ¡Uno! ¡Otra, Dylan! ¡Párala!
Get in there.
¡Vamos, Isaías! ¡Vamos, Isaías! ¡Ahí está uno! ¡Ey! ¡Damián, Damián! ¡Ven, pásala, Gaby, de este lado! ¡Eso, eso,
Good
Gaby!
job. Go,
¡Go,
Jacob. Go. That was a good save. Okay, that's okay.
Hector, take your partner. Hey, it's our ball. Look up, 17.
Good job.
Touch, shoot.
Come on, come on.
Roberto, that's your shoot. Shoot, shoot.
Get in there.
Aubrey, go.
Go, Aubrey. Come on.
Hector, sprint.
Get ready.
Hector, that's your turnover.
Big line, big line.
Dylan! Come on!
Hector, that's back to back.
Good.
¡Toca, toca!
Red, we gotta walk the ball. We're walking.
¡Párala! ¡Mi
Come on,
compañero!
Aubrey. Good ball.
1v1.
Go, Jacob.
Go, Jacob, go, go, go. Yeah, good hustle, good hustle.
Recover, recover.
Hector, Aubrey, push up. We keep getting beat because we give him space.
You're telling us to be quiet in this.
Hector. Hey, ref.
¡Levanta la camilla! ¡Está Gaby! ¡Ahora sí, pásala! ¡Esto, ahí está uno!
Get in there.
¡Vamos, Gaby, vamos!
There you go.
¡Bien!
Hey! Carlos, roll it down. Pass for it, Carlos. Pass for it.
Hustle back, hustle back, hustle back.
Yeah.
Take it.
Come on, Aubrey. Good job. Get in there. Come on, guys. Come on.
Go, go, go,
Talk
go.
to each other.
Guys, girls, keep taking it.
What you about to do?
Carlos, you don't have to go to the
Aubrey,
middle. He's down the
Anybody
sideline.
breaking in?
Uno. Ven, Gaby, pásalo. Pásalo, Gaby.
All right, then. We'll be
Take
done.
it, Jamie. Take
Stay
it.
with it.
Vamos, Sergio.
You clean the house?
Caleb, go get, Aubrey, go get it.
Take that.
Nice throw.
Get ready for when y'all stay with me.
Nice
I'll see like this.
Carlos. Go, Carlos. Come
All
on,
right, then
Carlos.
I'll see you.
Trevor, we got turn. Pass, pass.
Come on. Stay with it.
Carlos, you gotta go towards the ball, not towards the guy. Say that, say
Stay there.
that.
Come on. Go,
Go, Carlos. Go.
Go, Leah. Come on, Leah. Go,
Carlos, come on. He needs help.
Go, Leah.
Turn, Jacob.
Go, Jamie. That's okay.
Pressure.
Pressure.
Come on.
Go, Leah.
Go, Carlos.
Aubrey. Get up.
Go, Aubrey, go. Get him.
Aubrey. Sorry.
Jamie.
Jamie.
Sergio.
Ref. Tiempo. Hey guys, we got 2 minutes. Let's go. We gotta get one.
Urgency, let's go. Urgent.
Come on. Watch that ball.
Stay there, Jacob. Stay there.
Come on, get in there.
Carlos.
Go, Roberto. Go, Roberto.
Come on, Jamie. That's your ball, Jamie.
Pásala, Gaby. Muy bien. Otra vez, Gaby. Open it.
Go, Roberto. Good job.
Okay.
Uno. Pásala solo.
Aubrey.
Come on. Oh.
Vamos.
Go to the ball. Yeah, that's you.
Get in there.
Come on, Carlos.
Good job, Carlos.
Hey, guys, come on.
Hey, Roberto, ready?
Come on, Roberto.
Hurry.
Barrera. ¿Dónde Barrera?
Hey, get ready, guys. Wake
Come on,
up.
get
Defense, let's go.
Got 1 minute.
Go, pressure. Back. Carlos, up out.
Let's get one more, Red.
Go, come on, Carlos, up on defense, Carlos.
Help him out.
Slide.
Get in there.
Tackle.
Get it out of there.
Go, Carlos. Take it.
Go,
Pressure, Carlos.
Ready.
Pressure.
Get in there. Go.
Fuera.
Go.
Corner. Find somebody.
Fabián, un poquito adelante, Fabián. Un poquito adelante.
Come on, Lightning.
Counter attack.
Get it out of there.
Get out. Run, Jamie, run.